I want to talk to you a little bit about one of the sessions at the NoFluff Symposium that I'm going to talk about, which is called Testing with ECB. It is a topic that I am very passionate about because I am a huge fan of automated testing. I believe that writing software in an agile mode without automated testing is pretty foolish. It is extremely important to have automated tests to get a rapid feedback. Without such a rapid feedback, it becomes incredibly difficult to know where we have broken. And what we'll end up with without such automatic feedback is fragility and not agility. So if you're really interested in attaining that kind of agility, there are different types of tests you can write. As you know, you could write unit test. But unit test is only a small part. Unit test tells you that the code meets your expectations as a programmer. But what's more important, or probably equally important, is the code actually meets your customer's expectations. After all, you not only want to make sure your code meets the expectations, but also it's relevant. So this is where tools like ECB come in. You can write BDD, or behavior-driven development type of test, automated tests. These often are driven by and specified by, you would say, testers and customers, but oftentimes the way to express them requires a certain programming help. What's really exciting about ECB is it is a great example of a DSL. It was written in Groovy, but you won't even feel it. It's a tool that's been written to make it very expressive for a customer to specify the system requirements, and then you can bring it into the fold of continuous integration and run it through an automated set of sequences. If you're interested in knowing what your code coverage is, you can tie that right in as well. So what I'm going to do in this session is introduce you to ECB, show you how you can write automated application level testing, and how you can make use of this wonderful tool. And you can have your customers and testers write parts of these test cases. You can have your programmers fill in the rest of the details and then have them run through your automated test. This is not a substitute for unit testing, obviously, but this is something you do in addition to make sure your system not only meets the expectations of the customers, but continues to meet those expectations as you rapidly evolve your application and work in an agile mode. So if you're interested in that kind of details and you're interested in automated testing, whether you're a tester or a programmer, this session can help you with it. And that's what I'm going to do in Testing with ECB.